Seeing the client's reaction when they get their call insights for the first time and they have one of those aha moments, that's when I know we've exceeded their expectations. My name is Sam Petersen. I'm a speech analyst here at CallFinder. As a CallFinder analyst, my role is to work with clients one-on-one to make sure they fully understand how to use our solution. During implementation, I learn about clients' unique goals and pain points to ensure they are prepared to tackle their top priorities right away. What makes our managed services unique is that we do the heavy lifting versus tasking clients with their own setup. On top of that, client support doesn't end after implementation. We continue working together through what I call the ironing phase, since there are always some wrinkles to iron out. Post-implementation, I'm available as my client's main point of contact to answer questions in real time and to strategize about anything ranging from custom insight reports to scorecards. This ultimately lets clients focus on training agents. We always want to keep tweaking the solution to align with our clients' unique priorities. For instance, one of our clients wanted to improve their member experience score. After using CallFinder for only 3 months, their score went up significantly from 4.3 to 4.7. Establishing lasting relationships is the most enjoyable part of my job. It's exciting to see a client go from manually reviewing calls to an automated QA process. It's sort of like taking someone to your favorite hiking spot for the first time and seeing how awed they are by that experience. Everyone on the analyst team puts so much effort into each account, and to have the opportunity to see those efforts come to fruition after working with the client fuels my passion for this job.